All right, so here is some of the things you should be saying. Remember, everything that I teach you is in a certain order for a certain reason. Hey, Anthony Thornton here. 85% of millionaires make their money in real estate. Would you like a step-by-step plan to start building wealth? Who would like that? Type in the chat if you want that. Would anybody want that? Step-by-step guide. Okay. All right. They go, yes, great. I'm calling you now to share the details. I even gave you guys the step-by-step guide. And I gave it to you in a Word doc so you can take my logo off and put your logo on it. Okay. I gave you in a Word doc. You can just take this Anthony Thornton Speaks off here, right? Put your, whatever your website is, your logo, do it, copy it. I would love for you to do it. Hey, Anthony Thornton here. Do you earn $75,000 or more, have a 620 credit score, has 10,000 combined in your 401k check and the savings? They go, yeah, why are you being so nosy? Perfect.